Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithchar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a super cute little project to share with you today, and it's a little origami money purse. Today's project, I'm going to change it up, and instead of using cardstock for handles, I'm going to use ribbon. So I'm going to share with you how to create today's project. The designer series paper I'm using is the Fresh Florals, and this piece is cut at 8 by 11.5. I have two strips, 1/2 inches by 8.5, and then I have a piece of 1.5 by 2.5. And if you missed any of this, I will have a detailed description over on my website at www.stampwithchar.com. So what we're going to do is we are going to fold our paper in half. We are then going to fold our paper in, bringing it up to that score line. Repeat that on the opposite side. You are now going to fold in these corners. So all 4 corners you're going to fold up to that score line. And then you're going to fold this up . You're going to fold that like so. And that is the gist of your little purse. Now, the money is not going to open up to fit in, so you have to fold it. And you can stick money on this side. You could also stick a little card insert to write a message. So what you're going to do now, for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to use my corner rounder. And I am going to attach my buckle. Like so. I've got some black shimmer ribbon. And I'm going to use the shimmer ribbon for my handles. I'm just going to come with some glue dots. Oh, where's my glue dot? Didn't pick it up. Super cute project. And then you're going to come in with these strips. Now these strips are a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'd rather have them too long and cut away the balance. Ooh. And then this is going to go over your handles. Better cut this away. super cute, you guys. And then all I did was I finished it off with one of these little embellishment things from the Share What You Love. And what's nice about it is it's already got an adhesive backing, so I didn't even need adhesive for the back of this. And then all I did was I stuck that on to give it a little, so it looks like a little clip. When creating this project, I would suggest attaching a magnet to allow the bag to stay closed. Or if you don't have a magnet, you could also use Velcro strips, which is another way to keep the bag to stay closed. So that is my project for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you don't miss my next video. I love to hear from everybody. Please leave me a comment. Let me know how you're feeling. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you live in the US and you're interested in any of these products I used, I will have them linked in the description below. And if you click on that, that will take you directly over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you, so I hope you'll head on over to my website, www.stampwithshah.com. And I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.